Hello everyone, this is Louise for thunderlaser. Today I prepare some useful tips to help you make the voice choice and choose the right laser machine. Before this, just a reminder, you better understand what you need. You can shop around and compare different manufacturers in terms of price, quality, service, and so on. Now let's move on. To start with, you need to ask yourself, buy this machine is for business use or for personal use. If you need the mass production, a stable and durable laser machine will be your top priority. Then ask yourself what materials you will always work with, like metal or the non-metallic materials, which help determine the type of lasers like fiber lasers or the CO2 laser. Next is the maximum size of material, which can help you narrow down the right batch size and the right model. Please note that the batch size is different from the work size. The batch size refers to the size of a honeycomb, but the work size refers to the actual laser engraving area. Also, don't forget to pay attention to the maximum thickness of the material. First, power. Cutting thick materials, choose the high power output laser machines. Otherwise, choose the lower power output. Second, the price. Your budget determines what you can buy, so you can compare price and talk to different dealers before the purchasing. Third, quality. Do some research on different brands' laser machines and find a brand with a good review and reputation. Fourth, the space for placement. Some business level machines are large enough, so make sure that you have enough room to place them. Also, you can look through the website in advance and get the inspect to know more details about their size. Fifth, task more for cutting or engraving. Whether it comes with its own software or whether it has a good cooling and ventilation system. What accessories are included and what need to buy separately. All this can help you choose the right laser machine. Here are all the tips. If you have any other tips on how to choose the right laser machine, don't forget to draw your comments. Also, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Our thunderlasers are always happy to help you. That's all for today's introduction. See you next time. Bye.